So, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So, today the topic is organizational structure in SAP FICO. So, basically, this is majorly the first instance where the conceptual understanding needs to be done. So, for example, if you wanted to understand what is SAP and how organizational structure works, you need to watch this video and please watch complete video so that you might understand each and every step that we are going to discuss, and this will help you in your interview process. And the motive of this video is also to achieve your exactly job, I mean, where you are looking like for MNC or your target company, right? So if you are looking for a target company and you are going to crack if you are intended to crack the interview, and this video might help you, and definitely I will assure on that. Okay, and please do watch complete video. I will, if someone is not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And from today, every day you will be getting videos, and definitely this might help you. If anything is needed, you can reach out to my email address. I will be updating that email address in my description as well. Please reach out to that. Okay, and let's discuss this organization structure today. Okay, so generally, what do you mean by organization structure? So every organization has their own structure, and it depends on the client to client. Okay, and if some client has some specific requirement and some other client can have some other requirement, but basically there is a standard thing that we can, if someone asks you in interview, there is a standard procedure you need to answer to them, and this is the standard procedure that can help you how to answer the, if someone asks you what is organized structure, what elements contains in the organized structure, that all things you need to put in the interview is this way. Okay, that we can discuss in this video. Okay, and keep please concentrate on the video that you are watching so that you might not miss a single point. Okay, so what do you mean by organizational structure? Okay, organizational structure is generally a backbone for company financial statement. Okay, it also represents its legal and business operations. Okay, so based on the organized structure, the company can make the financial statements properly, and this might also help them for the legal and business operations in their day-to-day life. Okay, and what kind of elements that include in organizational structure? Okay, the key element that include is firstly client. Okay, then what do you mean by client? Okay, so generally in real system, I mean real projects, we do have multiple systems like sandbox system we have, where the general testing, where we, if you wanted to do an enhancement or the configuration, first we system what we have to do is like sandbox system, where all the changes will be done there and will be test initially, and then we will be doing the actual configuration at the development client development system. Then we have quality, then pre-production and production, right? In such cases, each and every system has their own client. Okay, so for example, in development we have 40 and 100 clients in some kinds, and 120 and 100 there is some other clients. It depends on the business requirement how they put their client number. Okay, it is a 3-digit number. Okay, and generally it is the top level organizational unit in a SAP system. Okay, representing a complete self-contained business. Okay, so if generally the I mean, if an interviewer asks you what is client, you just say them that it is a top level organizational unit in SAP system. How do we have like sandbox, development, quality, pre-product and prod? We have a specific 3-digit client number and we have to use that. Okay, and then company, and company is a legal entity for which financial statements are being prepared. Yes, company is nothing but where we are preparing financial statements and helping business to know where exactly the company stands, like based on the financial reports. Company will, I mean, whoever the advisors or the finance experts, they will analyze based on the financial statement what is the position of the company. Okay, so that is where the company stands. Okay, for example, if you take Tata has multiple business like insurance, manufacturing, some other businesses. Okay, Tata itself can treat as company, and all these businesses can treat as company code. Okay, the next point is company code. Company code is a legally independent, fully self contained accounting unit responsible for its own financial statements, multiple company codes can be prepared within company. Under one company we can create multiple company codes, because if we have already taken an example like Tata. For Tata we have multiple businesses, right? Each business we can treat as company code. So under one company we can create multiple company codes. Okay. Then controlling area. Okay. Controlling area will helps us for internal cost and profit management, especially for controlling area. Okay, in like for example, if you take fi and co for controlling, how we have this is the controlling area is where we can track all the internal cost and profit management related transactions will be tracked over to controlling areas. Okay. And these controlling areas has to be assigned to multiple company codes, and one controlling area can be assigned to multiple company codes, and it can be one-on-one relationship as well. Okay. Then business area. What do you mean by business area? Business area is an organizational unit which represents a segment of a business for internal reporting purpose. Okay. It basically, business area is nothing but, for example, if our business is in India, we have multiple locations like Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Such kind of all these areas will be treated as a business area, so that whenever we need any kind of reports we can pull over through the location area wise. Okay. So for example, if you want Hyderabad reporting, you wanted to know specific to business area like Hyderabad business area, you wanted to know what is the current financial statements, how the business is happening, whether we are on profits or losses, how to expand the business. So this, for this analysis, we, if you want, we need some reports, so that reports can be pulled over to business area. Okay. That helps us to know the financial report of the business areas. Okay, you got it right. Okay, then functional area. In functional area, generally classifies revenues and expenses by function. Like for example, we have some research and development, production, sales. Like this, we have multiple functions within the organization. So how many revenues we are getting from the sales and how much expense that we are spending. So everything will be recorded through this functional area. That is how functional area works in regular business. Okay. Then profit center. And profit center generally helps us to generate internal profit and loss statements, and this also helps to know whether the company is making profits or loss. And it is also an organizational unit used for management accounting purposes. And because when we use this profit center for management accounting purposes, it generally indicates to generate the profit and loss statement that helps in our day-to-day life, and it helps also the business purpose as well. And then segments. As I mentioned before, if we have a manufacturing companies, like we manufacture multiple products. If you wanted to know, if you, for example, if you wanted to know the reports for a specific product, like for example, if we are preparing, if we are in manufacturing company, we are manufacturing like mobiles, laptops. If we wanted to know how much profit or how much reporting in the report point of view, if only for specific product like a mobile or laptops, then we can get those reports at the segment level. Okay. So business area is like internal reporting purpose, and segment is for external reporting purpose. It helps us to get the external reporting. Okay. You can also mention, you can also see the description here. Segment report represents a distinct part of the business from a reporting standpoint, used for external reporting point. Okay. Now you understood, right, what is organizational structure. Organizational structure is nothing but a backbone of the company's financial system, and it helps also in legal and business operations. And what kind of elements include in key organizational structure in SAP FICO is, firstly we have client, then company, company code, controlling area, business area, functional area, profit center, and segment. These are the steps that include in organizational structure in SAP FICO. Okay. I think, hope you understood this video, and for more videos please do subscribe, and please support me. You will get good content through my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.